Ready ho, let's get this on. Oh, precious. Right. What up, squad? We are going live now. Let's get some trades in. Let's go, let's go. What up, squad? Alright, I'll get this sorted. For sure, for sure. I was lost in the... Oh, nice. Right. That's my little... That's the wrong account, for fuck's sake. What up, squad? Right, let's get this all done. Let's get this all done. Discord, nice. Let's get some zoom in. Actually, I'll use this one. What up, squad? So today is a bank holiday, but we are going to be looking for some trades. Still, I'm going to be looking at GJ, not GJ, mainly gold, because GJ normally has less volume on those type of days for bank holiday. But we can still sort it out. 1 second here. Start virtual camera. Nice. Yes, sir. Hope you all had a lovely weekend. I'll just get this all sorted, guys. I can't see you yet on stream. Morning, everyone. Let's just get on here. Hope you all had a lovely weekend. We're doing well. We're doing well. So, oh, I can start to see gold starting to come down already. Where are my magic keys, boy? Good morning, everyone. Where the hell's my, oh, there we go. Nice. What up, squad? So, yeah, today we are looking for some nice gold sells, I think. But I'll go through them in a second. I just went on Dr. Pip's stream, and we kind of broke down gold there. I'll do this here. And there we go. Let me give it a like on this stream as well, actually. Oh shit. Right. So I got this here. Got the live stream on. Nice. Hello, morning. Everyone had a great weekend. I hope. So let's get some music on, and let's have a look at gold. The first thing doing is gold, because we've been looking at some setups on Dr. Pips, and it looks pretty good for some nice sells. Nearly. Ooh, okay. So what do we do every single morning, guys? 1 second. Let me just get this on. Wow, 13 people on a Monday morning. Let's go, guys. Let's see if Discord is up and running. Here we go. Yes, sir. Wow, 6 likes already, guys. Welcome. So, let's see how loud this is. It's not too bad. Let me just turn that down a bit. So, yeah, today, you know, we're looking at bank holiday for GJ, so probably going to be ranging, but that's alright. We're going to be looking for gold, so I'm going to do a fresh analysis here. Let's first of all start the daily time frame. Actually, let me just send this zoom out. 1 sec. Zoom. Look on Instagram. But yeah, so you know, when you're looking at bank holidays and stuff, you know, just kind of chill with it. You don't have to worry about too much about it. Just kind of chill. Finally made it. Woke up on time. Yes, well done. Thanks for waking up on time. So 1 second here. I just need to invite. Copy invitation link. Where is it? It'll be here somewhere. There we go. Nice, okay. So, we're looking at gold here. Let's do the analysis that we do every single morning. You know, we do this every single day here, guys. So, yeah, yellow line for the daily. 4 hour. We got the 4 hour. You can see we are pretty bearish here. Not too bad. Okay. let's drop down to the lower time frames at this point. Okay, so you can kind of see where we're heading here. We've got a 30-minute closure at this point, just below, just above support. Okay, so there's no trades left. Thank you, you are goat. Jeez, the squad. So yeah, you can see that, you know, higher time frames are bearish at this point. We're starting to look for sells at this point, and jeez, Dr. Dollar, hello my boy. Let's go. So yeah, I'm going to be looking for sells below here. This 15-minute time frame closed bullish, which is a bit unfortunate, so I'm going to have to wait a bit longer, and the 30-minute didn't close below support. So for me, it's going to take a little longer. May look at the 50-minute time frame and get another closure below, and then take some sells. And we've got clean candles here. I mean, obviously, this is a bit of a leap at 4 o'clock. But, you know, if candles do start flipping here, where we're going to come down, the next zone is around at this point. So we've got some nice kind of movement here. But yeah, unfortunately at the moment there is no trade because the 30-minute didn't close below below support, which is a bit of a shame, but you know, what's good, it's all good. How is everyone going? Salary play on gold incoming. Yes sir. So yeah, salary play could be a good option here. Oh, thank you for subscribing. Dr. Dollar just subscribed. Jeez. But yeah, so today, you know, we could look for the salary play, but to be more confirmation, to get a bit more confirmation, if you do start flipping and then exceeding these lows, could be a nice entry. For sure. The vibe here from the dollar stream. Yes sir, nice. Damn guys, thanks for joining me. So yeah, we need to be really patient here, but if we do start exceeding these lows, what I'm going to be doing is looking for maybe a short position, 17 pips or maybe a 13 pip stop. And you know, we've got some nice targets here, but we can chill. Wow, 16 likes in the stream already. Damn. So it's just a shame that this 30-minute didn't close below. Let's just get these magic keys on as well, and we're gonna look at Forex Factory as well for other news events. So the salary play is taking place. Ooh, this could be a nice kind of entry. Let's have a look here. 30 minutes coming, exceeding the lows. Whoo! Here from the dollar stream. Let's go. Yes sir, this is nice. So you know, there's so many ways to kind of enter this trade if you really want to look for it. So if you do exceed these lows here, this could be a really good potential. The 30 minutes could be exceeding the lows as well. So a sell stop could be quite nice here. 1813. Oh, we're entering. I'm actually going to go for this trade right here. So I've entered a trade here. Really good option. We've exceeded the lows here. Salary play on the 15-minute time frame. Even though the 30-minute didn't close below, we should be good for some sells right here. And our targets, well, we're going to look for 10 pips to close some pips here. But until then, we'll have to wait. How am I going to manage risk? Well, 5-minute time frame here. If we do start exceeding the highs and start maybe flipping this candle and exceeding its own high, I'll be taking off 50% at that point. So I've got a nice 10 pip stop, and we should be continuing down at this point. Let's just put my stop loss here, move it about down. Nice. So that's how I'm really wanting to enter here. Exceed the lows here. 30 minutes, it also exceeded the lows. My stop loss is a bit above the current candle, and that's what I'll be looking for. Looking left, yeah, we should at least fill these wicks up here. But yeah, all I'm thinking about, you know, when I'm in a trade is how am I gonna, you know, how am I gonna basically manage my risk here? How am I gonna manage my risk? And I'm gonna be looking at the 5-minute time frames, and then, you know, exceeding its own high here, 1814. I'll be taking some off here for sure. But I still have really good confidence here. For a little wick right here, but if we do start exceeding that, we're gonna be good for sure. And yeah. But yeah, you know, the only thing I'm really looking for is how to manage risk. I don't care about where the trade's going. I can get that when that actually happens. For me, it's managing my risk, and I'm going to be using magic keys to manage my risk here. So if you do start exceeding its own high here, 1814, I'm going to be taking two off. So this 5-minute candle, if we do close, ooh, we're closing back up. So if you look here, 5-minute candle starting to close back up. For me, not looking good, but still, we're taking some profits off, some risk off at this point, 1814 for sure. Wow, 35 views in the chat, amazing. I really wanted that 50 minutes to close. Sorry, that 5 minutes to close below, but you know, it's all good. It's all good. Still think with this 15 we should stop pushing. It's gonna be good, man. Wow, how was the weekend though? Everyone have a good weekend? Wow, it's a vibe, man. Jeez, nice. Dr. Dollar shouted me out. That was decent. Nice stream. Got a good stream going on there. So in 6 minutes, 4 minutes time, if this candle here doesn't close below, I'm going to be taking off 50% at that point, because this means it's clear support at this point. I really want this 4 minute to close solid. So, you know, if people are new here, this is what I've been by closing solid. I want this candle to close like this, for sure. For sure. Good morning everyone. Last week was a fire week, guys. We didn't take any losses on stream, man. So amazing. 20 likes this stream. If you guys haven't liked or subscribed already, make sure you like and subscribe. We're here every single weekday, for sure. We do this every single day. Ooh, here we go, guys. So 3 minutes. As long as you start closing below, it's gonna be good, man. Let's have a look at the 30 minute. Ooh, exceeding the low. This gonna be fire. Ooh, going into some profits. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. But you can see, you know, my emotions towards, you know, getting into a trade, not really bothering at all. I just know my setups, and you know, I take that. Ronaldo is Man U. Yes, sir. He fucking is, and I'll be going to see him play very, very soon. Oh yeah. So this salary play is looking good. This is looking good. So up about 2 pips. Not too bad. Really wanting to push and continue now, guys. If we get a double on the stream already, it would be amazing. But all I'm thinking about is managing risk at this point. 5 minute, don't want it to come back up here. 18-14, I'll be taking some positions off at that point. That's all I'll be looking for. Ooh, 2 minutes to close on that. That's going to be good, man. I'm very, very happy with that. 30 minute. Still continuing. Oh, we got 30 viewers already on a Friday and a Monday. Damn. Ooh, pulling back up here. So this is going to be very, very crucial. This 2 minute count. This in 2 minutes time when this closes, very, very crucial. Very, very crucial. But this hourly here is looking good. So all time frames are, you know, in my direction here, which is solid. But I am looking to take off risk at 18-14 at this point. I'm going to be coming here every night. It looks nice. Lovely, guys. Thank you very, very much. Thank you, Eden. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do that also. Normally have a lot of people on Zoom, but at the moment, there's no one. But that'll be changing soon with stuff I've got planned. Oh, yeah. So this is basically a salary play for gold. So I would want to enter after this candle closes below support. This is risky for me. Very, very true. That's very, very true. I was happy to take that with the 30 minute and the 15, playing this little salary play. But yeah, if you wait now, so look, we got 1 minute time left. This is going to be an indication. If we don't close below here, I'm going to take off some positions for sure, because it means it could, you know, we've had 15 minutes to close below the support which is made. So we can kind of move this, adjust this to here now. And we've had 50 minutes to close below. If it doesn't close below, bro, I'm taking some positions off for sure. And then it'll be the first loss of the live stream in like two weeks, which is completely fine. But you can see, only thinking about taking things off. There's no point about thinking how much you're going to make. It's all about taking off. If you can take off to save you some dollars, trust me, it works nice every time. And then I'll be doing GJ in a second, guys. But yeah, we'll look at Forex Factory. Pretty dead today. So yeah, GBP bank holiday. So normally in bank holidays, less volume. You know, but that's fine. Normally a little bit less volume. So we have a 1 minute, 20 seconds time. Sorry, let's just move this. I'll make this lock it. Let's have a look at the 5 minute. Ooh, look at these candles, bro. So you can see long wicks, nobody closing below. Let's have a look here. Really wanted this candle to close a bit further below, not gonna lie. So we've got the closure, has closed bearish, which is fine. If we do start exceeding here 1814, as I said, I'm going to be taking off positions. I'm not too bothered to, because it has closed bearish. Kind of happy to keep on. I'm also going to move my stop loss here above this previous candle here to 1814.37. But I'm going to be taking some off at this point here, 1814, with my magic keys, which is right here. And that is how you perfectly manage risk. But hopefully we can start flipping here and get some nice trades for sure. Wow, 37 viewers on a Monday is just fire. I'm gonna be coming here every morning. Lovely. But yeah, so be careful with GJ today because the volume might not be there for sure, and it could be quite hard. So if this makes the top wick here, kind of stays below 1814 and starts flipping here, guys, like here, and it starts flipping, and then close, and then that'll be my stop loss to break even probably, and then continue. But we'll have to see. This 30 minutes time is going to give a good indication as well to close. So this is the major 30-minute support. If we do get a closure below, that's going to be pretty fire. So we're coming up here, guys. I said here 1814 is where I'm taking some off. We will see, we will see. Yeah. And this is to completely manage risk, managing my risk, making it good. So we're coming up here at this time. I am going to be closing 50% in about 10 seconds. Let's have a look. Ooh, very, very close. Very, very close there. If you do come back up now, I'll be taking 50% right here. Wow, 44 viewers, man. Wait for the 30-minute to close. 1 second. Wait for 30 minutes to close because all the time frames are bearish. Yep, it's a really good idea to wait for the candle to close, especially now. I wouldn't enter now, just because I entered on the last 15-minute candle. I would wait for this 30-minute to close in 12 minutes time. Give you more of an indication for sure. For sure. But I thought that exceeding the low of the previous 15 salary plate was a really, really good option for me. I'd take that every single day. Wow, 21 likes in the stream already. Amazing. If you guys are new to the stream already, just say in the comments. I also mark out charts, so I'll be looking at Discord. I'll look at Discord and we'll get some chart analysis done if people have put them in the charts. Let's have a look here. Let's move this for a second. So let's have a look here. Charts of the stream. People should put some charts in the stream here, guys. We'll definitely do them for sure. Nearly here to take some off, take some risk off with my magic keys. If you haven't got magic keys yet, you need to get them. Really, really helps out. So here I'm gonna be closing off half here at this point. There we go. So minus risk there at like about 8 pips drawdown. That's not too bad at all. And I'll leave the rest running on the high of the 15 right here. Amazing stuff. So yeah, that is how you manage risk with magic keys. Very, very easy. It took 10 seconds to take off there. We're coming up here now, and yeah, if this 30-minute close is bullish like this, really respecting support at this point. You can see here, really, really manage risk there. Amazing. So what we're going to look for now is, let's have a look at GJ. And if you guys have never done bank holidays before, make sure you kind of look at the bank holidays. Just go for previous ones. Just type it in Google, when was the last bank holiday for GBP, and then just backtest it and go, right, there wasn't much volume here, there was much volume here, just see. So let's have a look here. Daily time frame. Let's have a look. The flip is here. So we have the flip at this candle. I'll just actually write these down here. Daily flip. So you can see the last candle we had before on Friday was bullish, kind of making some support. You can see now we are bearish. This could be making the lower wick to then start flipping up, which could be very, very interesting at that point. Let's just do this here. But yeah, people in the chat. Oh, there we go. Why are we trading GBP pairs in a London holiday? I am not trading GBP. I'm just doing a markup for people to show that it's a range. I'm in gold at the moment. I'm only looking for gold really, but I said just for people, just to show that it kind of is ranging. So here is the 4-hour flip at this point right here. Do, 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 do. 4 hour flip. Let's go. So you got the 4 hour flip. Lovely, lovely stuff. Oh, we just flipped bullish at this point. But you can see at the moment the higher time frames. What am I going to say here, guys? What am I going to say here? You know, let's be quick in the chat here. What am I going to be saying? Oh, well, at that point, you can see the 4 hour was bullish and the daily was bearish. So you can see it's clearly ranging here. And you can see at the moment we are exceeding the highs of the previous 15 on gold. So I'll be taking off the rest. I'll be hitting my stop loss. And there we go. It came back in the range and closed back in. 9 minutes time. This 9 minutes will give you a clear indication of where we're heading. And if you do close back in here, we'll be filling up this range back up to these highs. But there'll be no trade there for me. Still continuous sales. Look at the 4 hour. Look at the hourly. You know, still good potential, but managing the risk was key there. I mean, risk like 15 pips, took them off at like 8. Really solid. So yeah, let's keep on with GJ here. We've got the 4 hour, got the daily. Let's go to the lower time frames. Oh, look how chucky that looks. God damn. Damn, son. So you can see we are kind of ranging here. Pretty bad range. So you can see here, you know, it's kind of like barcodey. That's completely fine. Let's just mark these zones out here. We can see we have a support at this line, okay? The reason why I picked this support right here is because, let's do this for a second. See, we had lots of candles closing. So when I look for support, I'm looking for the bodies of the candle. I'm not looking for the wicks, okay? But you can see these wicks, all these candles here with the bodies, they closed above this zone right here. You can see this candle closed on support, this candle closed on support, this kind of wick down. So you can see this is the clear support line, okay? Very clear, very simple. This is the support. You can see we have a lot of resistance, but you can see the clear resistance is probably this line here. See, candles, wicks came all the way back up, rejected them. You can see here, this is the clear resistance. So now we've got our zone right here. So as you can see, resistance at this point. If we do start exceeding these highs right here, we'll be looking for these buys. But, you know, you can still see, you know, to the next resistance, which is here, this is not good enough. Only 6 pips, okay? Not good enough at all. So I won't be looking for buys at that point, but I'm going to still mark them up as they're here because this is another resistance. But, you know, if this is a normal day and not a bank holiday, buys will be looking for above this zone here. 151360 would be buys, and I'll be looking to fill these wicks right here to continue on the bullish trend. Sells will be below here. The reason why I'm looking for sells here is because the 4 hour and the daily will be bearish, and that'll be good. And yeah, that's all it'll be. But yeah, as you can see, holidays, so, you know, be careful with stuff like this. Normally, there is a lot of volume, a lot of you know, slow moves and not much volume at all. So sells below 151. Oh my god, is this gold trade still on? What the fuck? Can we still trade GU as USD will be open in NY session? Could it work well with volume? Yeah, so I think in NY session you may be okay for that. Yeah, for sure. But just back test it. Just go look for the chart. So like you can see here, what is the GBP bank holiday dates 2021? So these are all the dates. Just go back on TradingView, have a look at the dates, see if there's any volume at NY, and there's your answer if you should trade it or not. Very simple. And for me, there was moves, but they were quite slow, and you know, so it'll be a chill day for me for sure. So yeah, sells below here if this is a normal day, and if they do break below and close below here, we'll be looking for this wick fill right here, and then to also continue down to the next zone, which is down here. So you know, very simple lines. Oh yeah, you can see here gold still respecting the previous 15-minute, but don't have much faith in it right now. So 5 minutes time, this is going to be the indication, okay? 5 minutes time. If you close back above here and not below the support at 1813.48, then we know that we are really holding the support. And the Seri play was not wasn't that the trade. But yeah, look at this, choppy. But yeah, if you guys got any charts, make sure you send them in the YouTube, guys, for sure. I really need to look at more charts. I want you guys to help, because you know, I used to send my charts to Rajas all the time. It used to help me a lot. It used to make me look at his zones and, you know, get another perspective of it and see where I was going wrong. Marking up charts is perfect, especially when the streams grow, guys, and I've got like 400 people in. It's gonna be hard to look at everyone's charts. This is the perfect time, for sure. But yeah, let's have a look for later on in the week. Let's have a look at the calendar that we're looking for. Right. Ooh, there's a lot of GBP news tomorrow, 9:30. Okay, that's not too bad. But yeah, tomorrow will be quite an easy day. It's not really high volume news because, you know, you can see here, whatever color that is, I think it's yellow. You know, so it's not that much of an impact, but you know, it still could be some little volume there for the open. Let's look at the further days. Oh, manufacturing PMI, that'll be interesting. So manufacturing PMI, the forecast is 60.1, the previous is 60.1. So if this changes quite dramatically, that could be quite nice for some moves there for sure. So make sure you know, watch out for that at 9:30. And it's also euro, so you know, trading EJ and all that kind of stuff. Make sure you be careful. Always look at Forex Factory. It's very, very key, because you could be getting into some trades and you know, they're just not there because there's news. You might be getting into some trades looking at Forex Factory like, oh shit, there's news coming out, and your analysis can go completely out the window with news. So make sure to, you know, be careful, stuff like that. But I hope you guys haven't taken any trades on GJ today, because you can see we're in a clear range. And what will probably happen is this will probably range all day and do kind of a flag pattern. You know what, people like this kind of flag pattern thing. 1 second, let me get it. Yeah, I'll use this one. You know, like they go, oh, flag pattern, wait for the break. But that's just basically, you know, like this fucking bollocks, like this, or like that. Wait for the break above or below. But identifying these slow volume days is very important in your trading strategy. You need to be able to do that, for sure. Oh, admit. Hello. 1 second. Enable waiting room. There we go. Nice. Wow, 45 views, guys. If you make sure to like and subscribe on this, man, for sure. GJ usually has more volume NY session lately. Yeah, for sure, for sure. Later on in the NY session, it does start to get some nice volume in. Oh wow, we're still in this gold trade. What the fuck? Come on, guy. Come on, boy. Surprised. Oh, pushing up now. Pushing up now. Pushing up now. But yeah, that's how we play out. I take every single day. We got into some like 5 pips profit, but couldn't continue on. Hold a really, really strong support at that time. But yeah, I was on Dr. Pip's stream. This is Dr. Pip here. If you guys haven't followed him, he's a really good guy, and he smashes some good trades, to be fair. Make sure you follow him if you haven't already, for sure. Wow, we got some followers today. Nice. We're coming up here. We're coming up here, breaking them highs. We're nearly out. We're nearly out. But really, really managed risk there. So I think I managed. I think I got minus 10 pips overall. Just from closing that half, lot when we started exceeding some 5-minute highs, saved myself, you know, a good like, 4 or 5 pips. Really, really solid. Let's have a look here. So like minus 10 pips. Righty ho. So yeah, guys, if has anyone got any charts, make sure to send the charts for sure. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure to like it. Let's have a look at how where we're on subscribers right now. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, we are doing a Magic Keys giveaway, so that's gonna be pretty fire as well. Wow, 650, that's pretty fire. Damn, 650 subscribers, not bad at all. You can still see here, look, in 10 seconds time, gold is closing back in. So let's just get rid of this. Gold is closing on support, and you know it's in this range. So tried to break these lows here, couldn't do it, and now we are coming back here, and you know price should easily start coming here and just ranging back up to this point. So now for sells, oh yes, you got a nice 30-minute closure back in the zone. So sells, there's no sells at all. Even on the salary play here wouldn't work because we've got a strong candle back in the zone here. Be very, very risky to take any more gold sells at that point. Preferably wait for this hourly to, oh, this hourly has just closed, but this, can you see here, the hourly hasn't closed below. So for example, if this hourly candle closed like this, wait for its top wick, exceeding, if this hourly candle closed like that, that would have been a really, really good confirmation to start taking some sells at that point. For sure. Wow, 54 viewers, amazing guys. Make sure you like the stream already if you guys haven't. And the Discord's filling up nicely, man. The Discord's filling up nicely. And I'm gonna be here in NY and all that good stuff. But yeah, look, got a lot of people in, and this morning as well. Damn. But yeah, make sure to send some charts in. Make sure to send some charts here. But yeah, you know, I think a lot of people who normally send me charts are away today because they know it's a bank holiday. Ooh, wow, gold's still pushing down here. Look at these, look at these wicks here. Damn. But yeah, that 30-minute bullish closure in there. We'll have to wait maybe a little longer. If the 50-minute closes below, we may have a look for potential sells again. But preferably, I'd want to wait for this next 30-minute to give me a kind of more of confirmation. You can see there's clean candles though. Wow, clean candles to the left. Could be really, really nice. If you guys have any questions about Forex or psychology or just any kind of questions, make sure to ask them. This is the perfect time to ask them when the stream's quite quiet. Don't have many people because it's bank holiday. Perfect time. But yeah. Also, guys, check out IC Markets, really, really good broker, and Fun and Talent as well to get funded. I've got all links in my bio and YouTube and Instagram. Really helps out. If anyone wants me to look at any other chart, I'll do that as well today. If you want to find any more charts, for sure. But yeah, that closure really, really key. So I saw people on stream here waiting for this 30-minute to close. Really, really solid way to trade. Can you tell us your experience with Fun and Talent? Yes, I can. I'm actually going to do a video on that soon. So Fun and Talent has been pretty damn good, to be honest. So if you're looking at the flex model where they have risk, not risk parameters, but basically parameters where let's look at Fun and Talent here. Let's have a look here. We'll do pricing. Basically for the classic model, yeah. So you have to do a trade your consistently your trading style. A lot of people are like, how is this risky? Will they tell me off? Will they not pay me out because of it? I've had absolutely no issues with them. And if you do have any issues, you just contact support, explain your strategy, explain what you do, and they're basically really, really chill with it. So that's for the classic. The aggressive model, same kind of thing. They don't have any consistency rules, so that's completely fine. And obviously the challenge, really, really similar to FTMO style. But yeah, I've had the payouts are really, really good. They take less than 2-3 days to come in, and yeah, really, really solid. You can get it through PayPal, you can get it through bank transfer, getting through Bitcoin or crypto. So really, really solid. I would really check them out. I've got a link in my bio to use as an affiliate as well. Really, really solid. I've looked at both Fun and Talent and FTMO, and I just like their kind of setup, their persona. They're really, really fire. For sure. So let's have a look here. Some more questions. Amazing, guys. So I need one more good month to fast my aggressive challenge, and they banned gold last month. Oof. To pass my aggressive challenge, and they banned gold last month. Yeah, no, they banned gold, but they are back on it now. I'm pretty sure they were only leaving it for like a couple of weeks, wasn't it? Maybe like 2 weeks, I think. But that's just with their new servers. They literally just put them on. So, what do you think of my Forex fund? Ooh, I don't know about my Forex fund. Let's have a look at this. My Forex fund. I haven't heard about. The market awaits you. Oh, okay. Get to see how our evaluation accelerated. Get started immediately with our accelerated industry-leading profit splits. Ooh, let's have a look here. Did you take gold sells? I sure did. -8 pips. Actually, let's put that in here. 1 second. Trades called. Oh, trades taken. So I took the accelerated play on gold. Let's have a look here. Trades called. Trades taken. Gold. -9 pips, I think it was. Really solid. Yeah, so I took a gold sell, and if you look here now, guys, 1 second, let's look at this. Look at gold. See, solid closes back in the zone here. So we'll be filling up here. There's no sells. So yeah, for people who just came in here, I took gold sells when this candle at this point here, this 50-minute, exceeded the lows right here. I took the sell. All time frames are bearish, but yeah, really held support, and that's fine. But yeah, this my FOREX Fund looks pretty good. So it's got the daily drawdown, overall drawdown, refundable registration fee. Wow, you should get refunded. Days to pass. What service do they use? Do they have their own? But yeah, I don't really know much about this. Haven't really done it. My FOREX Fund is lovely. Oh wow, a lot of people use my FOREX Fund. Great. I'm actually going to be doing a series where I think I go through all of the funded things and do YouTube videos on them, because I think it'll really help people. Oh, they've got their own servers as well. That's good then. I like it when they've got their own servers, because they can kind of, you know, stay up to date on them, and that they can be held accountable. If it's a prop firm where they use other people's servers, like other companies like IC Markets or something, they kind of put the blame on if something goes wrong to them, and they go, oh, you have to go contact them, which isn't the best customer service, if I'm honest. But yeah, oh, look at this. So, you know, no trades on GJ. You can see here managing risk on gold was really key. So this is the whole thing. If guys, if you have one thing to look at today, go back on my live stream for today. Look at when I was in this gold sell. All I was thinking about was getting out. I said, if price starts coming back to 1814 here, I'll be taking off 50%, and then the rest at the high of the previous 15, which is here. And you can see, you know, saving a lot of pips from just doing this. You know, really focusing on how to get out of these trades if it's going the wrong way, because this is the key. You can't just hold your trade on forever. I'm telling you. Really manage risk, cracking stuff. So yeah, I think my FOREX Fund looks good. But there'll be loads of YouTube videos to basically compare them. But I can only say about Funded Talent because I used them for quite a while, and they were pretty fire. I really enjoyed their trades, to be honest. Wow, we are growing nicely. We're gonna hit 1,000 subs, man, soon. That is gonna be sick with the Magic Keys giveaway. Oh shit, Magic Keys giveaway is gonna be fire. Wow, 32 likes in the stream, guys. If you haven't liked the stream or subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. You get automatically entered into a Magic Keys giveaway. And if the person already has Magic Keys, then obviously I'll re-roll it. Yeah, someone will be having a free Magic Keys. How long did it take you to clear your Funded Talent? The first month. Oh, I didn't do the challenge. No, I didn't do the challenge. So this is actually really good. This is a really good thing, guys. So when I use Funded Talent, okay, this is what I did. So I'll show you here. So I actually thought of this as in quite a a good way. So basically, I knew that I could. Hello, Rajpreet. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Good morning. So basically, I saw this medal. So when I started is when Funded Talent was just launched. There was not an aggressive and there's not a challenge. I was looking at the Flex Classic, and what I liked with the Flex Classic was that it was you get paid 10% of all the profits bi-weekly. So every 2 weeks in the month you got paid. So for example, if you on a 25k account, if I was up 8% in the first 2 weeks, I would get paid that straight away into my bank. At the end of the month, I'd get paid that and also the other what I also made in those 2 weeks. So in a month, I was making like $900, $1,000 on this kind of stuff without even having the account, without even going through the challenges. I was just making net profit $900 from this from this prop firm. And you know, if you just do that without even looking at the real accounts and all that kind of stuff, and you keep on pocket this $900 every single month because you can trade properly, then you know within 6 months you've got 6 grand basically in your live account. So that's what I kind of did. So even without having the full account, you know, using the Flex Classic model and using these 10% of profits split every single 2 weeks really helped me you know, build my other account up. And then I can trade with my own funds, because you know you kind of want to trade in your own funds here. You know, that's the perfect way to do it. But that's a really good way if you know you can trade profitably. You get these payouts every single week, every single 2 weeks. It really helps. So if you guys want to check that out, make sure you use my link, because it really does help me out. And yeah, it's fire. I haven't had any problems with them at all. But yeah, ooh, look at this. So I won't be looking for any trades here on GJ, but I can still show you what we could probably look for. So closures here in 4 minutes time. If you do get a closure around at this level here, that would be nice. And then sells, you know, there's lots of wicks here, but they could be filling them up quite nicely. What about the GU sells? Okay, I'll have a look. Wow, that makes so much sense. I'm on 5,600 on a 50k aggressive, and I was only thinking about the spot profit split on the elite account. Yeah, bro, you can do it on the normal one. Really, really helps out. As long as you're profitable, like, I mean, I did like a spreadsheet on it before. Where the fuck is it? Basically went through it all. But yeah, obviously you have to pay the monthly fee. The monthly fee is about 2%. So as long as you kind of get rid of that, it's grand. And it also, if they pay you out, they always give you like, oh, if you want to stay on, you can pay half of the thing. It's like 1%, which is really good. But if you're profitable, that really helps your account. And obviously it's not a scam. They still make a lot of money because a lot of people don't. You know, 80% of people fail. So, ooh. Thank you very much, VB, for subscribing to my channel. Ooh, let's have a look at this. I'm looking at my chat color. Do you guys like the color or not? I might keep it white. I think it's a bit too much. I'll have a look at GU. I haven't done GU yet, so let's take a look. So GU is probably going to be the pair you're going to look at today, because you know it's a bank holiday for GBP. The Japanese yen is closed because you know it's the end of their session. So GU could only be a really good option because at NY obviously USD will be open, so there could be some moves there. So let's do this. You know, we do every single morning on every single chart exactly the same. Daily time frame here. Let's go. So we have a yellow line here for the daily. We have a 4-hour line for the blue line for the 4-hour. You can see we are both bearish at the moment. Let's look at the hourly at this point. Start seeing certain resistance levels. So 30-minute has clear resistance. I'll be looking for potential buys above this zone right here. I want to be clearing all of these candles. Closures above here would be nice. And for sells, where are you going to be looking for sells? Well, I want both time frames to be solidly bearish. So you couldn't really take sells here because that's only just on the daily. The daily flip. I'll be looking for sells probably below this zone right here. So sells below 1.37520. If you do start coming here, we've got wicks to fill here. Sorry. That could be really, really nice to then start coming down here. But yeah, really needs to close below the support right now to take some sells. Or if you want to look at the 50-minute time frame, if you want to be safer, I'd actually move this support here. Because if you took a trade waiting on closures here, this is only 7 pips. So preferably sells below 1.37460 will be a nicer target for us, for sure. Wow, guys, 34 likes already. If you guys haven't liked the stream yet, make sure you spam that like button. For sure. But yeah, sells above here, sells below here, and buys above here. So let's just write these on. 1.37812. Looks like we're coming down here. Nice. Okay. So even though it is a bank holiday, we're still moving here. And it's funny because as time goes on and more computers are getting, because most industries and institutions use computers for their trades, they don't really do it manually. So even though it's a London close, if the computers are still running and still, like, doing these orders, which they normally do, pretty mad. So in 6 seconds time, we're gonna get a closure. Doesn't look as good. Ooh, look at that. Let's look at this 1 second. Let's just neaten these up. Can you see here? We didn't close below. And anyway, didn't close below. Big wicks here. Look how many rejection wicks here. This is why really looking towards the left can be a big indication. You can see here, big rejection wicks, another wick there, all of these wicks. So this area here is not really good for sells at all. So actually for me, sells below here would not even be an option for me, because the fact that these wicks here are rough. So let me just get rid of that before someone does it. But you can see here, very, very strong 15-minute bearish candle. But we are on a bank holiday. So GJ, not much news. Oh, look at that. Rejecting straight off that support. Coming back up here. Damn. But yeah, as I said before, GU will be the nice pair to look at for NY session, because the US dollar will be open. Because there's no US dollar holiday, it's just GBP. Mac Attack. Jeez! Mac Attack's in the building. What up, my boy? What up? Just passing by dropping a like. My boy. Wow, guys, you haven't followed Max as well. Make sure to follow Mac. He's an OG, man. I used to watch him with Raja fucking 2 years ago. He used to be the soul of that live stream, man. He'd be fucking fire. I like that live stream on Friday though. That shit was funny. Oh god. But yeah, so gold here. Ooh, let's have a look. Still hasn't closed below the zone right here. Let's have a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, really hasn't. Ooh, look at this. Really, really choppy at this point. The only way you can really look for sells is you need a really, really solid close below the zone here. So if you look here, closure like this, exceeding all of these wicks. Wait for the top wick up, and then to start exceeding. That would be nice for me. Hello, Edin. Hello. We still got any charts here on Discord or not? Oh yes, we got a chart. Lovely stuff. So, Kyle, we got one. We're looking at GA here. Okay, GA longs on the flip of the 30-minute. 10 pips taken and second position at break even. So let's have a look here. GA, wow. So this is the 30-minute time frame. You're taking buys off a support, which is nice. Oh, it's here. Okay. I can see it now. Oh, yes, you got a closure above. So this is really, really good. I like this trade, actually. So let's have a look here. Let's do some analysis. So we had a resistance at this point here. We couldn't get candles to close. Then we actually broke above. This candle would actually be probably a even better entry I would have been looking for here. But you can see we closed above here and here. So you got in on the third candle. Still amazing for buys. But you could have actually even got in on this one, to be honest. Waiting for this low wick to form here. And we start exceeding this high. That would have been nice. So really, really solid trade there. That was nice for GA. That was clean. But I can see, look here, this is what I'm looking for the support, the resistance. The resistance is right here. So even this candle here closed. This one closed as well. But solid candles there. Really good price action. I can start seeing gold churning over. So let's actually give this a like here. Amazing. Wow, everyone who's joined the Discord today, welcome. I'm going to be in here for NY in this discussion and trade section. See if we can get any. But it is bank holiday, so take it easy today, for sure. Ooh, gold starting to make some resistance. Oh, shit. Oh, snap. It just doesn't have the volume of this bank holiday. So, yeah, I'm going to be waiting here in 10 minutes' time. But you can still see here we're starting to make some resistance, even in this zone. If we do get this closure, I'm going to actually start doing this 1 second. Here we go. Oh, we're coming back down. This is the new support right here. So closures below here would be nice. Wow, 39 likes already. It's only 8:15. Amazing. But yeah, 10 minutes time, I'm going to be getting a closure below here. Wait for the top wick up, and I might take another gold sell, but we'll see. We'll see, to be honest, because it's a bank holiday, and I might not want to take a second trade, to be honest with you. Oh, GU falling down again. Flipping the daily time frame here. See, the daily time frame is turned bearish. The 4 hour is also bearish. Wow. Looks like it's coming down here to fill. But yeah, safer sells will be below here. We've got some wicks right here. Also got a support here and another support. So sells later on will be nice for this zone. We've got clean candles here to fall. Targets, if you do break these lows, would be here, because I'm looking for support. So you can see there's a support right here. The reason why I picked this, I think people get confused and why I just picked that line out of random. I look for the bodies of the candles, which is what I didn't explain before. I look for the bodies of the candles, and what I'm looking for is, you know, support. So you can see here support and also the resistance. So this is the clear zone. So, you know, when a support is formed, it also acts as resistance when we're on a bearish structure, as you can see here. So this is the clear zone. So this will be the target. Let's see how big this will be to get into here. Yeah, so you got your 10 pips there, which is not too bad. When we start filling up these wicks right here, stop loss will be at break even at that point. Are you an impulse trader? How do you normally trade? No, so even though today I did a bit of an impulsive trade, normally I don't. So normally I wait for closures below or above support and resistance, wait for breaks above the zones or below the zones to come to the next zones. So yeah, very much zone to zone. People call it scalping because I'm like a 10 pips stop loss kind of guy. But overall, it's kind of like using all, and you can see how I'm using all time frames. I also, my runners are like kind of swing trades. So I do a lot of, if you go to my other videos last week, there's some really good examples of me swing trading from the scalps with runners on. But yeah, let's have a look at gold here. Ooh, so 7 minutes time. I'll have to wait here, see if we can get this closure. Wow, 40 viewers. This is amazing, guys. We're like averaging 40 nicely now. We finished our first month, I think, of streaming, and it went amazingly. Too easy, man. 42 likes in the stream as well. But yeah, closures here. So just try and picture exactly what you want to see. So here, I really want to see this, okay? Like that. And if I don't really see this, I'm not going to be entering. So always try and paint the picture you want to see, because painting the picture is going to really help. And it means that if you're a bit indecisive, you don't know what you're going to be doing, you'll be like, oh, should I enter now? If you don't have the picture, then you know you're going to be taking them weird impulse trades and all that. If you just wait for the exact setup you're looking for, it's going to be really, really helpful. But yeah, lovely for the questions. Any more questions, guys, make sure you drop them in the comments for sure. Wow, so how many people? 166 members now. Damn, that's really not too bad at all. Make sure to go check that out. I'm going to be posting a lot more in there. Got some good things coming up, so make sure to check that out for sure. So 6 minutes time, we'll see where this closure is. GU is still dropping here. It's at a little minor support right at this point. What do you think about GU sell on the 1 hour setup close below 1.3752? Yep, so let's have a look at the hourly. Ooh, the hourly is pulling down hard. It's got no top wick. Wait, is the hourly not? Oh, the hourly doesn't have a top wick. So for me, even if this was a normal day, obviously it's a bank holiday, so I won't be trading this, but you see there's no top wick. Okay, for me, you know, look at all these candles here. You know, 85% of them have top wicks, okay? So for me, I won't be getting into any until the top wick is made, if this is a normal day. So I really preach the top wicks and bottom wicks. If there's none, then, you know, if I take this trade and I lose it, I'm like, oh, there's no top wick. Like, of course, you know, it's basic, so it's just discipline levels. But for someone who waits for these closes below and doesn't really care about them, like here in 5 minutes time, yeah, it could be a good trade. The only issue is this, which is only 3 pips away. That is the next support, so it's quite choppy. Hello Tushar, hello, morning, good morning, welcome. I just explained that we are on a bank holiday, so take it all easy. Take it easy. The only thing you should really look for is kind of gold later on, or, you know, GU, because it'll be the US dollar trading at NY. GJ today probably going to be ranging, as you can see. Good example. It's ranging, as you can see. Morning, bro. Morning. But yeah, really good morning for streams, guys. I'll be here every single weekday, so if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. I'm also going to be filming a video today on how to mark out zones and what I look for. I've got a lot of YouTube ideas now that people gave me on Instagram, so I'll be doing a lot of videos this week for sure. What's been your favorite video, guys? People who've looked at my videos here, what's been your favorite video? So look, I'll show you these. So like right here, so videos. Do you like this one? The best forex entry. I think this one really slaps. I think you really guys need to take this. Basically talks about my entries, how I journal, which I used to do quite a lot. I need to get back into it, to be honest. It just takes a long time to fill these all out. And then GJ, all that kind of stuff. Yeah, really check out these videos for sure if you got some time. Do you strictly? Oh, 1 second here. Do you do strictly price action or any EMA or other forms of confidence when executing trades? Nope, strictly price action, strictly zone to zone. No EMAs, no fibs, nothing. I stick on the price action because that's all you need. The other stuff kind of gives you a blind sight, I think. You just need to look at the charts, look at the candles where they're printing, and yeah. You can see here, this is a clear support, so there will be no sells for GJ if this was on a good day, because you can see that we have clear support zones. Unless you get the closure below, then it could be a good example for some sells there. But yeah, let's see where gold's gonna close. Oh, 2 minutes time. Wow, 44 likes in this stream, guys, already. Damn. I wonder how many people are new here and how many people have come in every single morning to join the stream. Last week took 0 losses, so this is the, you know, unfortunately the streak is over. But you know, we've got a nice little 8 pip love down. Jeez, Dr. Dollar's back here, my boy. Looking for these gold sells, man. They didn't play out. I liked it. Wait, Dr. Dollar, did you enter? Did you enter here? We exceeded them lows right here. Stop loss above the current. That's what I did. Oh fuck. But yeah, you can see here. Really couldn't close below. Unfortunately, yeah. It's all good. Yeah. So we've got 30 minutes time. So we've got 1 minute's time for this 30-minute candle to close. If we don't close below support here, there'll be no sells for me at all. And yeah. Still had 20 pip stop. 20 pip stop. Bro, my stop is. You're still in it. Fuck. Okay. You guys have the vibe. So 20 pip stops. If you got in like here, so okay. Oh, you got time. To be fair, you could be in this for a while. To be fair, if we do start getting closes below, it's just a volume because it's a bank holiday at the moment for London Open. You know, even though gold obviously isn't linked with London, the volume will have a big part. I don't like market right now. Gonna wait till NY. Yep, because it's a bank holiday. There we go. So, in your trading journal, guys, in your trading journal, write down this. Write down this, okay? It's bank holiday, volume ass, okay? Then when the next bank holiday comes, you kind of know, you know, take your time with it. If there's no trade setups that are, you know, clear, just don't take any trades. But, you know, writing down your journal is really going to help you because you'll just forget this. You'll be like, oh, yeah, I'll try bank holiday. But if you've literally specifically wrote, I took a trade on bank holiday, the volume wasn't there, and I'm pissed off. And then you look at that again, you're like, yeah, maybe I shouldn't just trade bank holiday. Maybe I should just take a lie in. Or, you know, maybe I should just only look at gold or don't look at GJ and all that kind of stuff. Ooh. So another 50-minute bearish close right here. But yeah, closes below are going to be the way to go for sure. 44 likes in the stream already. Damn. Oh, GU pushing down nicely. So when we flip the daily there, coming down, nice. So how long did this run? Ran from 8 o'clock. Just about 10 pips. Not too bad. So yeah, very, very slow in the mornings. Not too bad though. Ooh, GJ got the closure below here. So if this was a normal day, I'll be waiting for the top wick to be formed right here, and then starts flipping. That could be an entry. Just that these wicks are here, but we did get the closure, which is good. Because all these candles couldn't close. This candle actually has closed below. So, and TP would be down here. So 10 pips, and then continue would be 22. How has your previous days on bank holidays been? Do you usually trade or stay away from the charts? Previous bank holidays, pretty much rangy, low volume, so normally stay away. The reason why I do these streams on bank holidays is to basically teach people, because I think if I didn't have my streams here, people would be, you know, more likely to take trades. I want you guys to know, you know, preach the discipline, because it will help you out so much when, like, in the long term, you know. If GBP bank holiday is there, try not to do GBP pairs because the volume isn't there. The volume's not there because the stock exchange isn't open. So, you know, you can still get trades, you know, don't get me wrong, you still lose trades. It's just that ranging, you know, times may occur and the volume is a lot lower. So you'll be in trades a lot longer. Whereas if you go back on my stream last week, we did 2 GJ trades and we were in them for about fucking 2 minutes. Whereas these ones will be holding for a bit longer. Oh, do you invest in crypto and stocks or just Forex? Yes, I have crypto and no stocks actually at the moment, but I have crypto. I have XRP, Cardano, VeChain. They're the 3 I quite like. And a bit of Ethereum as well. That's what I look for. I like them because they got logistics and shit. I think VeChain was quite good. Let's look at VeChain. Where's their website? Do they have a website? There we go. So VeChain, leading application platform driven by enterprise. Yeah, like enterprise. I really like enterprise kind of stuff. You know, stuff that can be used for business. So digital carbon so it's really good for, you know, carbon stuff, which is what I'm kind of looking for, because Elon says the next big product that Tesla are going to invest in is going to be good environmentally, and VeChain's quite good environmentally, so I was in that bitch. How was your weekend, bro? Really good, yeah. I had a night out. What else did I do? I've been chilling, to be fair. Went on a night out to see my lads. It was really good fun, actually. It was pretty decent. I saw this in Discord. Wait, where is it? Where is it? The lobby? Was it the lobby? Yeah. This. I don't even remember taking that. I was fucked. I looked in the morning and I was like, when the fuck did I post that? I was like, oh shit, I was at the party. I was like, damn. But yeah, this is looking really, really good. I'm liking the Discord, guys. We're filling up nicely. Let's see how many people have not liked it. Okay, so 127 people have. So nearly 40 people haven't liked it, haven't ticked this. So 40 people in this Discord are seeing literally nothing. They can't see any of these. They need to like it. So if you're one of them people in here, make sure to like Tick this fucking thing in Discord so you can actually see the channels. Oh yes, Carl's working nicely still. Thank God for that. It took me ages to get him running. He was pissing me right off. Where the fuck is my GJ gone? Where's my GJ gone, boy? Oh, there we go. But yeah, I like VChain. I like Cardano. I like quite a lot of them actually. XRP, I was in that like 2 years ago, bro, and then I sent the XRP to the wrong fucking wallet. And I lost it. That was so annoying. I was just new to crypto and I didn't know how it worked, and yeah, I think I copy and pasted the wrong kind of thing, which is rather annoying. But yeah, let's have a look at Instagram. I think I'm so close to hitting 5,000. Oh no, not 4,000. Oh, I hit 4,000. Nice, 4,000 followers. Nice. I'm gonna be posting more TikToks. I want to do some cool TikTok forex dances. The way to go, man. It's the way to go. Look at that pull up, man. Damn, back in the range. That's what it'll be doing today. So it'll be probably sticking in this range here, which is a 15 pip range. Well, 46 likes. Let's try and get it to 50 likes before 9 AM for sure. I wonder if we've got any dislikes yet. I like looking at the dislikes. I wish I could see who disliked them. That'd be great. But yeah, really liking this closure below. That is your new car. What is? Oh, this. Ooh, SV. Nice. I do like a good SV. That's in Dubai as well. Dubai Bridge. I've been to that as well. It's fire. Oh yes, we like the Lambos. Oh, GU closed, but yeah, still waiting for this top wick. If this does flip though, could be quite a good opportunity for the continuing. But yeah, as we said, bank holiday, so be careful. I'm waiting for gold to close below. But because I've already taken the gold trade sells, I try to take sells here, guys. If people have just joined, I'm not gonna take any. I don't think, especially because it's on a bank holiday. Keep it with my things. Do you invest in crypto stocks or just forex? And yeah, stocks as well. I used to be in quite a lot of stocks. I was in Tesla at $300, man. I wish I kept that on. Fuck. What can you do, eh? What can you do? What can you do, man? But yeah, yeah. I'm actually writing this again. I'm not gonna write it, but yeah, 1,000 subscribers. When we get 1,000 subscribers, Magic Keys giveaway for everyone that's done it. SV soon, yeah, boy. To add to the collection in this house, we got a Countach. We got one of these in the house, and we got a GTO as well. But oh shit, I didn't mean to click that fucking button. For fuck's sake. We got this. This is the OG. This is the first Lambo to have scissor doors. It is the OG. And then they made a new one. It's alright. I like the front, but they fucked it. They fucked the back of it. My dad, like a big car guy. You know, he has quite a lot of these cars and stuff. He was so annoyed with this because apparently they got the model wrong in the background. They fucked this model up here. Apparently, you know, there's like 4 different models of a Countach, and this one they put one of the ducks on the wrong model, and they're like, oh my god, Lambo fucked that up. Like, you know, you can tell it's commercialized a lot, so he was very annoyed with that. I don't like the back of it though. Here, don't like the back. Not the biggest fan of the back. But yeah, really ranging here, which is a bit annoying. But you know, what can you do? What can you do? Who keeps on liking and disliking the stream? Not disliking. Someone keeps on liking on and off. Bruh. 6 minutes time to get this closure below for people to maybe take some sells. But it's really holding this level. Look at the 5 minute here. Ooh, like closure on the 5 minute as well, but still holding it. Damn, son. Damn, son. But tomorrow is going to be back with volume. We'll be taking some GJ buys, GJ sells, all that good stuff. Let's check the weekly. Actually, let's just check the weekly. This gives an indication of what's next week's got to come. Ooh, ho, 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 ho. So what are you guys saying? Okay, so let's do a breakdown on the higher time frame here, the weekly time frame. Okay, we've got a strong bullish candle. The last time we got this, where do we head up? We head all the way to the tops, which is good. Okay. The one thing is we do have some wicks to the left right here. What is your winning streak? Well, before the loss I just took today, I think I was on a 15 winning streak or 14. If you check the streams, you could add them up. And then obviously, I did NY as well, so you couldn't really check them. But yeah, on the live stream, I had 0 losses for the first 2 weeks, I think. And I took like 9-10 trades, so yeah. Biggest winning streak overall, I think I had like a 3-week up before, but that was a couple of months ago. But yeah, don't really care about the streaks, but it's nice though sometimes. So you can see resistance here. So when we come up to this level, it could have a little trouble, but if we do get a closure, we're going to come up to these highs and then start ascending again, because you know 149 is really low for the pound. So we need to start making up some movement here. You're a beast then. Yes sir. Nah, not even a beast, man. You could do exactly the same. You just have to, you know, chill. You have to, you know, wait for the exact same setups every time, and yeah, just discipline really, to be honest. Just discipline. Discipline's everything. Discipline is everything, I'm telling you. Wow, 39 viewers, amazing. Do you trade NY as well? Yes, I do, and I trade it in Discord. Today I might not be because it's bank holiday and I've got other stuff to do. But normally, yeah, I'll go to the NY session here, discussion and trade. So before last week, I did NY trade somewhere. Where was it? It was somewhere. Yeah, here, entered a buy, up 8 pips. So yeah, I said buy stops basically. But yeah, so the NY discussion and NY trade, that's where we kind of sit for the NY. We've got another. Hey, slime water. Slime water. But yeah, let's see where this candle is going to close. Oh, snap. 3 minutes time. See if we get a closure for gold. For people for looking for sells, could be a good idea. I already taken a sell here, so probably not going to take another one. For me, especially when I take a loss on a day, I normally only take the one loss. I've realized that normally if I take a loss and I've done correct discipline and the right setup, normally price action isn't the best that day, and normally I just miss it. Which has changed recently. I think last year, you know, if I took a losing trade, I might try and take it again. And if it's a winning trade, I normally do one trade for the day, and that's not the case now. If I take a winning trade, normally price action is quite good for that day, and I'll be looking for an extra entries for sure. What is your pip goal per trade? 10 pips, 10 pips, and then, you know, filling up the range. That could be 15, 20. Runners could be 30, 40. Do you always wait for the 30-minute closure? Not always. As you can see before, when I took a trade in gold, I wait for the celery play here, exceeding the low of the previouses. But most of the time, if I want complete clear confirmation, I wait for either the 15-minute or the 30-minute to close. So you can see here, if this 15-minute closes, good opportunity. But, you know, 30-minute is more of a higher confirmation than a 15-minute. So if this closure does happen with this 15-minute, it's looking good. But if you're a bit wary on it, it's bank holiday as well. Maybe wait for this 30-minute to close for sure, because this 30-minute could wick all the way back up and then hold this support right here. So yeah, you need to be careful. And for me, there just isn't enough volume to take some nice trades. But it's just preaching the discipline, you know. So a minute 50 time this closes. Could be good for some sells. But for me, nothing. 45 likes in the stream, amazing stuff, guys. We smashed the likes, like. So look, can you see here? This can be classed as nearly a fake out. This candle closed below, started pushing below, nice solid candle. Just came all the way back up. If this closes in a minute's time back in this zone here, it could fill this zone back up. And that'll be a fake out. And this is why, you know, my strategy of waiting for the top wicks, you know, I avoid a lot of fake outs, because I would still be waiting for this top wick, and then if it didn't flip in this candle, then sells would be nice. But I avoid fake outs because I'm waiting for top wicks and bottom wicks. So that's kind of the strategy that I broke down on that YouTube video. So make sure to check that out if it doesn't make sense, because it really does help. But yeah, so overall for this week, I am bullish. Today, to be honest, if this candle does flip bullish again over here, will be good. Coming back up to these these highs here, and if you do start breaking above, damn, clean candles. So yeah, when we do start exceeding this resistance right here, so 1 second, this resistance right here, when we start coming up, damn, we're gonna be looking good, man. I'm telling you, it's gonna be solid. And yeah, that's what we'll be looking for. But yeah, always check the news, guys. Really, really important to do. You need to be able to check the news every single day. It's the first thing that I do normally, because, you know, if there's news events, you know, it can be really bad with your price action. Ooh, look at gold. Damn. It's a good closure below. It's a good closure below. Wait for the top wick to come up. Oh, snap. That was a big pull up. Fucking hell. So people looking for sells right here could be a good option. Wait for this top wick to form. For me though, look at this 30-minute. A lot of wicks here. Very, very dangerous area. But we did get the 50-minute closure. I mean, if you do start exceeding here with a stop loss above the current candle high, could be a good trade here. Oh, oh. Oh, it's aggressive. Damn. Oh, exceed the high of the previous 15-minute. Fuck. Okay, wow, look at that. So still waiting for top wicks, I'm telling you. That looks like a lot of volume. Damn, I would not be in some sells right now. Oh my god. That was looking good for some sells as well. Damn, I hope you guys didn't take any trades there. Holy shit. Look at that. Bam! I see many questions don't get answered here. Many questions. I've literally answered every single one. I've answered every single question here. Kind of look like PSI Syndicate. Wait, I look like Syndicate. The fuck? Wait, Syndicate that I know, like the UK gamer, or a different one? PSI Syndicate. If the 15-minute candle breaks previous highs, which the sells become invalid. Yes, sir. You've just said it. Good lad. Yeah. So it's exceeded the high of the previous. No sells. Can't please everyone, mate. Yes. I've literally answered every single question. The fuck? How many trades to take per day as a beginner? Probably 1 or 2. 1 or 2 trades. Good setups, yeah. Maybe none. You know, try not to put a number on it, because what I used to do when I was younger was I'd say, yeah, I'm going to take 1 or 2 trades a day, but what I'd actually be saying is I'm actually going to take 1 or 2 trades. Not like if there's a good setup I'll take them. It's just I'm going to take 1 or 2 trades no matter what. And that's not the mentality to be in. You need to, you know, if the setup's there, take it. When do you think new traders should start with fun and talent? You should start with fun and talent when you're profitable for 3 months, I'd say, 4 months. Don't force trades. Yes, sir. Yeah, Joseph. Yeah, 3 months, 4 months have been like consistently profitable. Then I'd take the jump. And make sure you use my link as well if you do. If you do so, it helps me out. But yeah, just like 3 or 4 months. Just make sure when you're just confident enough to be profitable. And like when I was on the fun and talent, I wouldn't even look at the balance. I would just trade and just forget about the balance. And then when they gave me the email, oh well, you can get paid out. I'm like, oh great, cool. How much is it? Because I wouldn't look myself, because there's no point. It's just numbers, in it. Just as long as you stick with your plan and stuff, you don't need to look at how much money you've made or whatever. Bro, watch your hands. Wait on. Bro, I keep my hands in my lap, bro. Look what I'm wearing as well, bro. You're gonna find this funny. Look at this shit. Look at these fucking. Jeez, I got my Spider-Man onesie on. Fuck yeah. That's how I pull up. What the fuck? What was that? I got my Spider-Man onesie. Mate, I tell you what, if you guys don't have any GT Omega chairs, bro, I'm telling you. You need them. This shit's fire. Oh god. Let's have a look here. Looking for someone who actually trade, so like your style. Lovely. Yes, sir. We here. Like, make sure you check out the other live streams. Last week was so fire. Like, you can skip to where I enter, man. It's too good. Dr. Dollar, go. I actually, and I've answered every single question here. So yeah, 10 minutes time here. If we do close back in this range, really, really, that's a big fake out there in 10 minutes time. Oh shit, we got some beef in the chat. He's here every night to help others for free. Lol. Let's have a look at GU here. Ooh, yes. Wow, look at all of these charts, guys. They've all faked out. So guys, look here. So the 30-minute time frame, if this closes, this will be a fake out. Look at GU. This is a fake out. And look at gold. This is a fake out. What the fuck? So write this down in your journals, guys. A lot of fake outs, a lot of low volume. So tomorrow stop loss stream or Dr. Dollar stream. You guys are silly, man. That was so funny. Dr. Dollar's coming and fucking bash some kid. Yeah. I already said, I've answered every question, bro, I'll tell you. But yeah, as you can see here, this is, what does Raja call it? Goat shit. Let's put this big. There we go. This is goat shit. Don't trade GJ today. Don't trade GJ today. GU you could possibly trade at NY session. Really, really good. Buys above here will be quite nice. Let's have a look at the daily before. Ooh, yes. We are at a daily resistance here. Can you see? Daily resistance. But if we do start coming above here and exceeding these wicks, GU could be some buys later on, I'm telling you. In the NY session. But yeah, what I'll be waiting for NY session, if you trade NY, is, these candles can start maybe coming up, maybe changing, maybe they're just vibing a bit. And then we get a closure above like this. Then make the bottom wick, and then boom! That'll be the perfect setup for me. So you can see every single thing that I'm looking at, I'm always painting a picture of what I want to see, what I want to, really look at. The exact kind of setup I'm looking for. Makes it a lot easier to take the trades. So 8 minutes time, if this closes back in this zone here, there'll be no gold sells. That's mad, that. So that just opened up and I went, nope, I am staying back up. Thank you very much. So yeah, daily candle on the gold was really, really solid as well. If we do exceed this high and start flipping, could be nice for some buys again, especially with all the Afghan news and shit. Yeah, wasn't there Afghan news? Wait, let me have a look. Actually, let's have a look at this. I swear I am. News. Let's have a look at this. Afghanistan news right here. Rockets fired. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the US fired and they killed some children. So that shit not gonna go down well. I'm not gonna lie. How would you approach gold? Will you take sells at the break of the lows or wait for the end of the candle? So for me, I wouldn't take any, but I'll just show you if I wanted to. Let's have a look here. Let's look at the 15-minute. So for me, personally, I won't be taking any gold sells right now because we've exceeded the high of the previous candle. Right here. I want, when I'm in a trade, I want to be clear bearish structure. And bearish structure is higher highs and higher lows. So, a bearish structure looks like this, okay? So if this is the bearish structure, it doesn't exceed the high of the previous, makes lower lows like this. So now you can see this candle right here exceeded the high. Therefore, for me, the sells are not valid at this point. I'll post a picture, Brian. So tomorrow, I'll post a picture in the Discord channel lobby. Scary facts. Ooh, not good, not good. So yeah, for me, gold buys later on will be pretty good because of the the news in Afghanistan. Not the best for the US at all. And as we know, gold's a safe haven. So long term, I'm pretty much bullish on gold. But at the moment, that was some good sell opportunities. But gonna be a fake out here. Same with GU and same with GJ. So pretty mad that. But yeah, thank you guys for hitting 4,000 followers. Amazing. I can't wait to get to 10k, bro. That'd be sick. Is a gold a buy above 1815 valid? Let's have a look. 1815. Ooh. Let's have a look here. So, is a gold above 1815 valid after a 15-minute closure? Because 4-hour and daily are looking bullish. So they're not looking bullish because they're not bullish, right? You can see, look, they're bearish. But I mean, we do have a little resistance here. If you do get a closure, then yeah, you could fill up this range here. Let's have a look. Yeah, 25 pip range could be good, but you're going against the higher time frames here. Until the 4-hour flips bullish, then that could be bearish. Okay. Yeah. So obviously the higher time frames are bearish. So try and keep in their direction. I mean, to be honest, if you do get a closure above here, it could be quite nice for some buys. But you are in a range, remember. Easier sells will be, to be honest, up here. To be honest, or let's look down here. This has been held as resistance. If you get a closure above 18, 19, these are going to be really good buys to then fill here, which is 40 pips. Yeah, so 40 pips. That'll be a nice zone to fill. But I mean, you could get in early here and get a closure here. Oh wait, are you looking for sells? Do you say? Yeah, we just broke down sells here, but we exceeded the high of the previous, so sells are really struggling. So what you can still see here is, price could be making a support at this point. It looks like to me, we came up. Oh shit, we came up, came down, and then this could start going like this because we're holding this support. Really harsh support right here. It could start coming back up and then looking for buys later on. But this 4-hour rejection, it did look nice for sales, to be honest. That's why I was happy to take it. But yeah, so in 3 minutes time, all of these candles have faked out. So as I said before, write in the journal, just know that these candles are all closing, not much volume, they've been faked out, so when you come to the next bank holiday, just take that with you take that knowledge. It's good data. You need to be able to use that properly. So 3 minutes time, if you do get a closure above this zone here, we'll be filling up this range right here, which is about 30 pips. 30 pips right there. Let's have a look here. Is there any big news? Like Thursday and Friday are normally big news. Let's have a look. Oh, it's NFP. Oh no, it's NFE. It's unemployment rate. Oh, jeez, that was gonna be fun. I'm gonna like that. What's the most you made in a day, mate? 10,000. 10,000 rupees. Nah, I don't know, like freaking probably like 8%, 10%, and then there's that one random gold one which 100 pips. So it's probably like 14%. I'd say I've had 100 pip trades every so often. So I risk like 1.5, 1.4% per trade, and I've had 100 pip gold trades, which is in like 2 50-minute candles. So that's like 14% in a day. Did you have a trade today? Yes, sir. So I took a gold sell, and it was a first loss of the stream in over 2 weeks. And it was this loss here. So we're all bearish in all time frames. This candle closed. This candle started pushing. It made its top wick, started flipping, exceeding the lows, and I took a impulse sell with stop loss above. And yeah, as you can see, we came all the way back up and really respected this. So you can see gold very, very hard to trade at that point. But in minutes time, if we get a closure above, we will be filling up this range here, and then soon we'll be flipping the 4-hour here. Oh wow, I need to move that down. Fuck. There we go. Let's lock that in place. And if we do flip the 4-hour, then both time frames will be contradicting themselves, and therefore it's harder to take any trades. The lobby. Oh shit. Okay, thank you Brian. Is your name Brian? Am I saying that right? Brian. Brian or just Brian? So Taliban's new Arsenal. Oh shit! Well, is this what they've nicked? They're just taken? Shit! 22,000 of those fucking buggy things. Damn. Brian, nice. 64,000 machine guns. Fucking hell, man! Holy shit! I don't know about you, but for me personally, I'd just get everyone out of the country and then just bomb the living shit out of them. Get all civilians out, but I don't know. I'm shit with war stuff. Look at this closure. Closing above resistance at this point here. We should start coming up. And then the cells are invalid. We're making very, very solid support right here. Oh my god, look at this. Do the volume time differ in summer and winters, like market open close? Yes, they do actually. I don't think there's a correlation between summer and winter, but definitely some months are slower than other months. And I vaguely remember some months towards December, there are a lot less volume, and a lot of people get, a lot of people do really well in, in the year, and then when it comes towards December, the volume is not there, and they get wicked out quite a lot. They get faked out quite a lot. So just take that in mind. Just back test it. One weekend, on like a Sunday, go back in the months and just see, see if there is any. Back test it on TradingView or Soft FX or all that kind of stuff. It would really help. Ooh, okay. What the hell is gold? God damn. So it's making this low wick here. If it does start flipping, exceeding the highs, could be a nice option for a little tiny buy there. But yeah, that was a very, very good question. You do some really good questions actually. So yeah, they do differ in months for sure. They differ quite a lot. Wow, look at that. Oh god, GJ's giving me like fucking eye cancer, bro. So you can see GU faked out, GJ faked out, and gold faked out as well. Damn! So 3 fake outs in about 15 minutes. That's mad. People would have got slapped there today. I know it. I know people will be down hard today. So if you guys haven't taken any trades today, put it in the comments and I'll be like shouting you out, because that shit's good. You shouldn't be taking any trades really today with this volume, especially with them fake outs. I tried that gold sell, but that'll be my only trade for the day. And tomorrow for the stream, we'll be back live, and there'll be really, really good volume there. So it'll be pretty good. Oh, look at this, wick up. If you do start exceeding here, you could have a stop loss. Look at this. Good 2-to-1 risk to reward as well. Damn. If you guys haven't liked the stream already, make sure you get to 50 likes. That'd be amazing. Not taking any trade, not even thinking about before NY session. Amazing, well done. That's how it should be. Let's get to 50 likes, guys. 2 more people. 2 more people. Give it a like on the stream. That'll be amazing. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe too. It really helps me out. Remember that 1,000 sub giveaway as well. I'm gonna start trading from next month. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. So I'll be on the first right here. Good idea. No trades today. Didn't expect that big pull up on gold. Lol. Oh yeah. But we'll be good. We'll be good for the week. We've got a lot more days in the week, and we should be getting some nice trades. But yeah, tomorrow I'll be definitely up early in the morning as usual, doing the same trades again and again. But yeah, I'm gonna film some videos today, so that'll be fun. I think buys will be better 1816. I think it's 1816 at this point has resistance right here. That's only 10 pips away. That could be quite hard. If you got an 1816 here, there's also a lot of wicks here. These could be rejection wicks. There will be buys above. The safest buys will be 1819 for sure. I took it on gold, but closed when it broke last wick with 5 pips. Amazing. Well done, well done. No trace, didn't expect it. What broker does everyone use? Yeah, I forgot about that. What brokers does everyone use? Make sure you put that in the chat. Also, I'm thinking I'm gonna set up this. Look, I think I might be setting up one of these soon. Where is it? What the fuck is it? You know the leaderboard accounts? I think I might be doing one of them. That'll be sick. Stop loss, but IC Markets, let's go, let's go. IC Markets gang. If you guys don't use IC Markets, use my link. It's in the description of this video. If you go down here, IC Markets, use that link, get signed up. It is the tightest spreads by far. It is the best broker. And withdrawals, I had withdrawals last night, very, very easy. They take literally 10 seconds to get into the account. You can use PayPal on them as well. Look at that, my stream, boy. Wow, that's so fun. I'm literally, I can see myself talking. And yeah, there's a fun and talent link. This also the Discord link right here. Discord link right here. So make sure to tap that if you guys haven't already, and join the Discord. It's free. Post some good value in there. And then yeah, also the fun and talent link as well. Which mentor did you learn from? So I didn't take any courses, but I learnt from Mr. Raja Banks himself and Ted. Ted helped me a lot. But yeah, what I did with Raja was, all I did was do this. So Raja Banks, if we go back down, we go to his videos. I watched every single live stream for about 2 years. So yeah, I did all these. I did all of these, So every single morning, came up to the live streams, marked my charts before he did. And then just traded with him. And there's Monty as well. I like Monty. I talk to Monty quite a lot. And yeah, I'll probably be in this chat somewhere. I just watched every single stream consistently for 2 years. That's a lot of hours, yeah. But I didn't have to buy any course. I just put in the hours, bro. Just put in the hours and didn't need to buy anything, really. And luckily, I was quite close with him on Instagram when I first started. When he was like less big, like he was quite small when I started talking to him, and I used to ask him a lot of questions and stuff like that. But this is why I preach, like, guys, ask as many questions as you want. Like, asking the questions is, you know, there's not one stupid question. I like all questions, you know. I like answering questions. Helps a lot. Helps me as well, because I basically have to explain everything. If I can't explain something, then I don't know it well enough. So, you know, I have to be able to explain stuff, which I like. But yeah, I'm gonna be filming some videos today. But I'm trying to think of which videos I want to film. I definitely want to do the day in the life. That'll be quite fun. Show you how much effort it takes to do these streams, how to do the recaps on Instagram, all that kind of good stuff. Yeah, it does take a while. Look at that gold pull down, bro. Fuck. 5 minute rejecting them again. Nearly flipped the 4 hour, but couldn't do it. Yeah, 2 years. Damn, that's a lot. I know it is. It is a long time. But this takes time. I think people try and rush into this, and bro, if you want to rush into this, you're gonna lose a lot of money quickly. You need to take time. You need to know exactly what you're doing. And the live streams for me have helped a lot, actually, to really confirm it. So yeah, if you're looking for sells here, don't bother. There's no top wick. You know, top wick of the hourly, we know probability wise, 80% of the time there's going to be a top wick made. So if you get into some sells right here, you know, you're going to be in some bad probability, because it's very likely we're going to make a top wick. And that won't be good for you at all. 49 likes in the stream. Man, that's so good. We got a load of subscribers as well today. So if you guys turn the notifications on, so do you guys get notified when I post and stuff like that? I need to preach that a bit more. But yeah, lovely fake outs here. God damn, I'm glad I didn't take any of them trades. Hell no. Hell no. Goat shit. Look at that. Oof. But tomorrow we should get in some. I'll be looking for some nice buys tomorrow if we're back up at these levels here. Oh, that'll be delicious for me for sure. But yeah, where is everyone from as well, guys? I like knowing all that. My demographic for YouTube, I gotta find that actually. Let's have a look here. How long does it take you to be profitable? It took me about a year, I'd say. About a year. About a year to be profitable. New Delhi, India. Wow. I was thinking this, you know. There's people in India, because I'm not going to lie, I was speaking with my dad about this. India has some potential, because you know how you guys, like, what was that thing? You know, PewDiePie got overtaken by, you know, like the kind of Bollywood stream and stuff. You know, there's a lot of people in India, big, you know, huge amount of people, and everyone's starting to get Wi-Fi, everyone's starting to, you know, do that stuff. But I was thinking, do most Indians speak English, or is there quite a lot that don't speak English? I was thinking I could make a Stop Loss Matters Indian version where I'm doing the streams, but someone is just narrating in Indian, and like, not in Indian. Is that how you say it? I'm so bad with geography, by the way, so please correct me. And someone's kind of like speaking over, and then all the text is in Indian and all that kind of stuff. Because that would be like another audience, because that would be huge. Like if I get an Indian channel, a trading Indian, and it's just all in Indian, and some guy is like narrating over me what I'm saying in English, that could be fire. Like that would be a huge channel. But yeah, if you look at my analytics here, let's have a look at where was it? Not here. 1 second. Engagement, audience here, audience. So I can see. So top geography. So United Kingdom 20%, India 2%, South Africa 2%, United States 3%. So still quite a lot of UK. 32% haven't subscribed. I tell you what, you guys, I think everyone here is subscribed, to be honest, though. And look at the ages as well. 100% male. Now I have some females on here for sure. I have some women on here. Bro, most of them speak English. Yeah, true. That's what I thought. That's what I thought, but I was like, bro, where are all the, like, there's such a big like quantity. Maybe some of them don't, but yeah, most of you guys, most people from India do speak English, don't they? There's already Indian streams where it's done in English and Hindi mix. Oh shit, is there? God, they beat me to it, motherfucker. 50 likes, let's go. Oh, I'm nearly at 50. This is 49. We need to get 50, boy. You know where Croatia is? Oh yeah, I know Croatia. I want to go. I've been to Croatia. I want to go to what's it called? Is it called Split? Like the party place? That looks sick. At least people who trade Forex speak English. Yeah. No, I know, but exactly. But I'm trying to get an audience where they haven't started trading Forex yet. You know what I mean? Like the untapped market. It'd be called Stop Loss Matters, but like Stop Loss Matters, and I'll have like India. Yeah, Split. I like Split. I don't know where I went in Croatia. I went before, but yeah, I love Croatia. Croatia's fire. Nice country. It's beautiful, actually. I went to Dubrovnik. Flipping next level. Split is more party vibe. Jeez. Yeah, it's fun. But I recommend you go to how do you say that? Zerki, if you want party. Oh yes, I do like a good party. I'm a proper party boy. I'm a proper party boy, especially in Newcastle. Oh yeah. Where do you live, man? I'm from Newcastle, in the UK. Our central bank prohibits trading Forex. It's because of these funding programs. Trading is possible here. Oh wow. Wait, can you not trade in IC markets and stuff? I swear you can. So why is the bank prohibited? Because isn't that like a Muslim kind of thing that you're not allowed to trade Forex? I don't really know, to be honest. I wonder why it prohibits. Yeah, I was thinking you guys can use IC markets, I swear. Yeah, I want to look into India, because what is the population of India, right? And you guys are all, you get no, population. Why have Afghanistan of India? Bank deposit is not even possible. Wow. Do you not have PayPal there? You not have PayPal? 1.36 million. Holy fuck. See what I mean? Like, if I got like just 10% of that, bro, damn, my streams would be fire. Speaking in like Indian and shit. What is the language called? Is it it's not Indian, is it? What language does most people speak? Or is there so many different ones? Yeah, you guys can just deposit it with your PayPal then. Hindi, that's it. Hindi. Yeah, so I could have like the YouTube channel Stop Loss Matters and then dash Hindi. Almost each state has a language. Fuck, that's hard. Are they similar? Like, could you like, would you get like someone's language like from another state? Hindi is main, but English is much more. Wow, that's mad. Wow, look at this. So the 4 hour on the GJ has flipped. We're also flipping the daily time frame right here. Wow. As long as he gets past his range here, it could be nice later on. For sure. Yeah, that's mad that. I wonder how I could, yeah, it's hard, isn't it, trying to tap a new thing. India has more than 100 languages. Wow. I've actually never been to India. I don't think I've never been to India. I've been to a lot of places in the world, but I've never been to India. What the fuck? Why is my zoom just cut out? Bro, if you're gonna be around Split, I can help you around to see beautiful places. Oh, for sure. I'd love that. Yeah, I'll definitely keep in touch for that, for sure. I'd love to go again. Visit Mumbai, you'll love it. Yeah, bro, I love that. I've been to a lot of places. I've been to Cuba. That's a mad place. Been to Dubai, been to New York, been to Hollywood. Where else have we been? Barbados. I like to go to what's it called? Thailand as well. I think I'd like to go there. I haven't been to Australia though. I like to go to Australia. But my favorite place is Dubai. I love Dubai. Fuck. I used to be there every 3 months, 2 months when I was younger. Shit was fire. Dubai was so fun, man. But yeah, so later on, guys, I'd advise staying away from GJ. If you want to look for trades later on, look for gold, because when the US dollar opens, gold will be starting to move, and GBP USD because the GBP is closed and the US dollar will be starting to move. It says gold is flipping. Gold is flipping. Ooh. Yeah, I mean you could play it, but for me, I'm not gonna take a trade. But yeah, I suppose if you flip this in 12, it's got 12 minutes left. It's made it to lower wick. If it just start exceeding here, it starts coming up. That could be nice. But yeah, really respecting these levels. This is a key like demand zone. A lot of orders getting collected in here. I think it's pushing down, then always wicking back up. So if you got into a trade here, where's your stop loss? Stop loss 13 pips, a 20 pip gain. Maybe that might be a start. If you start a Telegroup only for Indian people. Thank you, Adam, for subscribing. Thank you very much for subscribing to the channel. Put 2 more rays and you can start. With COVID around, there is so much population unemployed. Yeah, I know, I was thinking that. Yeah, because India's getting like fucking boned by COVID, isn't it? Like, I've been seeing that on the news. So this candle does flip here. You got 13 pips stop. Could fill up that range quite nicely, making support here, and runners could be pretty fire, not gonna lie. Dude, everyone trades options with no logic. There is no scope. Yeah, options is hard, man. I can see how people could do it, but you need to be mathematically intelligent, like really on the ball. Like you need to do some data. Like there's some guys who used to do it on Instagram. I forgot what they were called. But yeah, mainly think options. You can make a lot of money. Good, like you know, if you're in the trade, you're gonna be good. But It's hard, and also you have to pay for, you know, the premium and all that kind of stuff. I learned that all at uni, but it is very hard. Institutions, I can see how they could do it because they have a big team like doing it all, but by yourself, that's just gonna be hard. So this candle is gonna flip right here. It's exceeded the high of the previous 15-minute. It should start continuing now. Amazing. 50 likes on the stream. Wow, we smashed that. Oh yeah. Oh, hello GJ. We start coming up. But yeah, as I said, try and stay away from this pair. GU and gold you can look at for today, because GBP is closed. But yeah, buys above here are going to be nice. And if we do get buys, let's look for targets, okay? Oh, wow, it looks pretty clean. We've got a nice wick fill over here, first of all. And then to continue on, where is the next level? Right here. So, yeah, this will be the target. Let's see how big that range is. Ooh, only 9 pips, so not the best, not the best. Maybe waiting for closures a bit later on. Let's have a look for next zones. As you can see here, I'm always using the left to try and look for next zones. So if we do break above here, the next zone is up here. And that is a bigger range to fill. That is a bigger range. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to end off the stream here, guys. You know, we were really good with the discipline. We kept it safe. Tomorrow is going to be a much better day, a lot more volume because it is a bank holiday today, so it's a lot harder. But if you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure you like and subscribe. And tomorrow I'll be back again, 7:30 UK time, and we'll be doing the streams. And there'll be some nice trades again. We'll be getting some nice GJ trades. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the stream, and I'll see you guys in the next one for sure. So peace out, guys. Love, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure. See you later, guys. Bye.